So for my concept map, I did leadership pitch by pitch. And I just thought of this map because I'm a softball pitcher and just kind of thinking of the different pitches I throw, and that's how I kind of categorize the leadership styles. Leadership styles can be simple, slow developing, or complex based on each design, and they can move and develop in certain ways. And each design can be more effective for certain leaders than another. So like each pitch develops a certain way and moves a certain way and can be more effective. So for my first pitch, I did a fastball, and these are more of a simplistic approach. Maybe don't take as much time to develop, but are a mainstay. And I called them leader-centered because a fastball is, everyone needs it, every pitcher needs it, and it's very center focal. So approach, and then on the trait type of leader or good or bad, that all these great traits they had from behavior, depending on besides the type. Look at the blade, kind of more relationships and thing than done, and authority here, so you're getting thing relationship. Authentic leadership, they're more about good person, authentic, being able to develop consistent passions and gaining trust your follower and intrapersonal and develop a perspective. Good leader and person. Skills approach. Have is there in the have you can different goal might be better. Your motivation. So these skills that needs to have those at all. And now for the step, Lex was more about how to help them, and it's a little more effective to get first. And this is the point is for development, be able to realize inspiration and to push and there. And the more them, the better leadership, which will help. And in full range model as I fair. So leadership, you surf when you first you're trying to power people, how creating value of an overall good news with everything you will help create a performance and all our performance. So next, leadership. So practicing remote challenges. Your follower ready with whatever means you have to get on the identified to going through maintain words and the people taking focus are. So now I have the main complex and that's a rise ball and learn and caster. This category just together in order for. So first, this kind of is the whole thing. Team, you walk one person work out find one of them to have team members, and then the team not going to work. There's the hill for team bottom. You have to team up effective. All type of thing. There has to the leader of this make decisions work. And when do they through internal actions or external actual work of back and the team and what they need some additional leadership. The follower is in there. The leader is going to starting delegating. So if it's very high, need more need a little leader. So the leader has to know their follower and there and take to keep going. Centers on how to designate goals that are on. All the characteristics of that all depend on followers. The follower to what their goals are and they're being given the support and get down that path and reach their exchange. Actions, so depends between the leader and the leadership. They interact between the 12 elements to have in groups. Then they get that exchange from a leader. If there's just come in, job and leave, but they're lead and everyone in groups, so they're in the same ship. So these next three are culture, and these three that kind of because you have to look leadership, personal, women and leadership, and in women that my qualifications just aren't past ceiling about liberal, how to create and understand and navigate and get through. Have to make sure not showing they're not women because they're women certain thing trying to over leadership. So there's a C from there's types, and just knowing how to not be in one's own at the same might be more in your type. You're gonna have workers that are base culture, leadership skills, and culture might work with culture, so aware of those in your organization as well. It's ethics and kind of goes on with that a little bit, just in good values and moral dark side, not toxic intolerance, trying to help your followers as you go reason and work through different stages of development and reality, just build and be and help their followers in just and honest ways they can. Overall, that was my concept map of leadership. I really tried leadership stuff all change up, but thank you for listening to my presentation. I learned a lot. Thank you.